Hi guys, John here with Sandblastingmachines.com with another item off the shelf. Today I want to talk to you about the Clemco SG-300 portable suction gun with hopper. The Clemco SG-300 was designed for situations where air volume is at a minimum and low pressure blasting is necessary. It is often found in on-site glass engraving and stone etching. It's perfect for small paint stripping jobs, touch-up work after large jobs, farms, machine shops, welding shops, the home hobbyist, and even in rental outlets. The Clemco SG-300 can be found on sandblastingmachines.com simply by searching for part number 02641 in the search bar. As always, I'm John, and thanks for watching.